Lord, I come before you with a humble heart. In a world that teaches me to live for myself, teach me to live for you. Help me to love beyond convenience, to give beyond what's comfortable, to serve even when no one sees. Transform my heart, Lord. Let me not be conformed to the selfish ways of this world, but renew my mind with your truth. Let my life be a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to you, not for my glory, but for yours. Teach me to love the way you love. Lord, in a world full of questions, I come to you, the only source of true wisdom. Not just knowledge, Lord, but wisdom, the kind that sees beyond what the eyes can see, the kind that moves with faith, not fear. Give me clarity when I am confused, strength when I am uncertain, and peace when I don't understand. Renew my mind, Lord. Align my heart with yours. Let every step I take be guided by your truth. This is my prayer. Amen.